Even if you don't think you can draw, you should give this one a shot. Let's draw a giraffe. Let's start with a triangle. Remember, if it's going too fast, tap the screen once to pause between steps. Split it in half and then half again. Draw a circle around the bottom of the triangle and two small ovals by the midline. I'm going to draw rings around those ovals now. Let's put in some eyelashes and color in the eyes. Draw these two curved lines down, but stop at the circle. Now draw this U shape and use the circle as your guide. These nostrils are little half circles, and draw two C shapes around the nostrils. Let's draw two curved lines from the eyes all the way to the top of the head, and a little bump in the middle of the head. Think about an M shape when you draw these horns. The ears are C shapes. Use the triangle as a guideline. I'm drawing some jagged lines inside the ears now and shading a bit. Draw some hair on the top of the horns and color the horns. Let's color some spots now. It doesn't really matter what shape they are, but bigger ones toward the bottom and smaller ones on the top. Now let's color in the nose around the nostrils. Okay, the neck is pretty easy. It's just two lines. Now put some hair along one side and color in some very large spots. If you like this content, please interact with the video with a follow, like, comment, and share for more art tips and tutorials.